Well, good afternoon, everyone. I've gotten a few requests regarding how to tie your belt. There are three different ways that we can tie our belt. One of the ways that we're going to do it, the first one that I'll demonstrate is mostly for the kids. And then the other two ways that I will demonstrate are typically for the teenagers and adults. So when it comes to your belt, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you fold that belt in half. All right, halfway point. So, all right, this first way, basically what you're going to do is at that halfway point of that belt, you're going to place that right at your belly button. All right, and what you'll do is you'll wrap that around behind you, and you're going to crisscross them so that the belt is flat up against your body, and you'll bring both ends around to the front. So as I turn around, you're going to see that there's going to be an overlap right here. So, and that's okay. All right. So then from here, what we do is, it doesn't matter which side, right? If the left side of the belt or the right side of the belt comes on top, it does not matter. Whatever, it's just personal preference. But once you get to this point where you put one of the sides over on top of the other, you're going to place that piece that's on top underneath both pieces here. And you're going to bring it around the top like this. Okay, you'll bring the bottom piece around to the front, make sure that they're even. Okay, and then from here, what you're going to do is that top piece is going to come over the bottom piece. So what I like to do is I like to fold that bottom piece to my right side and then crisscross this way and then pull through. And then from here, I'll just pull sideways. And if I do this right, I'm going to get a little fortune cookie type of a knot on the side. Okay, so that's the first way. And that's typically for the kids, it's the easiest way to do it. So once again, you start off at the middle, kind of wrap it around, bring both pieces around to the front. All right. The second way, same thing. All right. So this one's more for teenagers and adults. All right. So once again, you fold it in half. You can start it in the center here. Once again, you bring it around just like you did with the other. All right. And get them even. Right. And then what you're going to do is with your hands, you're going to tuck. You're going to tuck it in so that it's straight. All right. And you'll tuck it in. Okay. You'll tuck it in. So now it's overlapped and completely flat around the back. Okay. And then basically the piece that's furthest away from you or on the top, as we say, is going to go underneath both pieces. Like this again. Okay. And once again, you want to make sure that it's even before you tie your knot. So once you get to this point here, make sure that the straps are even. Okay. And then once it's even, once again, that bottom piece, the one that's coming up from the bottom, you're going to fold over, put the top one over the top like that, and then you'll pull through the hole. And then you'll pull sideways. Like this. And once again, you'll get that fortune cookie type of a knot on the side, and your belt's going to hang. Okay, so that's the second way that you can do that. All right, the third and final way, all right, this is the way that I was kind of brought up doing it, is basically you start with a quarter of your belt or an eighth of your belt. Okay, basically you put that on your side. All right, it doesn't matter which side. You just want to make sure that the eighth piece, that smaller piece, is toward your back, not toward the front. Okay, so we want it toward the back, and then you'll wrap it around 2 times. So 1, 2. Okay, and then that piece there just comes underneath both pieces, just like you did before. All right. So once you get it here, then you basically fold the bottom over, bring the top one across, and then pull it through the loop, pull sideways. All right, and then once again, you get that fortune cookie type of a knot on the side, and you're all set. So those are the 3 basic ways to tie your belts. Takes practice, takes a lot of time, but once you get it down, it becomes very easy. So once again, create that habit, practice tying your belts, untie it, and then once again, finally, make sure that you're pulling sideways and not up and down. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in class. Take care. God bless.